ఏఐ రంగంలో భారత్ గ్లోబల్ లీడర్గా ఎదగాలని సీఎం రేవంత్ రెడ్డి ఆకాంక్షించారు. ఢిల్లీలో జరుగుతున్న ఏఐ ఇంపాక్ట్ సమ్మిట్లో పాల్గొన్న సీఎం ఏఐ అభివృద్ధి కోసం ప్రత్యేకమైన వార్ రూమ్ ఏర్పాటు చేయాలని కోరారు. ఇందుకు హైదరాబాద్ ఎంతో అనువైన ప్రదేశమని తెలిపారు. హైదరాబాద్లో ఏఐ వర్సిటీని ఇప్పటికే సకల వసతులతో ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నామని వివరించారు.
India must become a leader in all layers of AI, chips, green energy, data storage, platforms, applications and services. We must create a roadmap to ensure real leadership in top 3 layers. Secondly, India must create a war room with center and states to monitor and respond to AI developments. An AI war room for India is crucial because developments in AI can be very quick. Hyderabad can build an AI war room for India with support of Government of India. We need to establish an AI university of global standards. Fourthly, to lead an AI revolution, we have to manufacture GPU chips. We have to become part of the entire supply chain. We must get rare minerals. Fifth, we have to put a system to estimate job losses because of AI. India cannot delay this anymore. We have to invest massively in reskilling our people who lose their jobs. India needs an AI fund for startups so our youth can work on all areas of AI and aim to become unicorns. Telangana can establish an AI startup village for entire country with support of Government of India. We need more AI summits, not once a year, but every 6 months. Different cities can host them like Hyderabad. I request Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to establish a national AI council like GST Council or Niti Aayog. We need an AI ministry both at center and state level to help make laws to prevent misuse of AI, especially against national security and interests. We need to use AI strongly for achievements of social justice, inclusion and removal of poverty. Finally, I invite you to Telangana for discussions for partnerships. I welcome global and national institutions to work in my state in AI.